When you add graphs from a chat directly into your dashboard, you can click on Spotlight AI and it starts analyzing instantly. It gives you an executive summary, extracts key insights, and even flags what you might have missed. It basically explains to you what each graph means. For instance, based on your charts, Spotlight AI might say the dashboard reveals strong overall sales growth, with monthly order revenue rising sharply and projected to remain above average, signaling sustained momentum. It also warned me that Serin Karaca significantly outperforms the others. Just to clarify, all names and data you see here are synthetic and simulated for demonstration purposes. But in this example, Spotlight AI added, this indicates a strong reliance on Serin's performance, which could pose a risk if her sales ever declined. Spotlight AI then pointed out the invoice amounts are consistently high, showing stable, high value transactions without major anomalies, and also a high dependency risk on two big customers. And finally, it caught this. The sharp increase of 13.8 million deviates notably from the overall trend, indicating a potential anomaly or a highly successful sales period. Again, this data is simulated, but monitoring a spike like this would be recommended to replicate or manage its impact. That's Spotlight AI turning graphs into guidance and helping you see what's hiding in plain sight. Thank you for watching.